Good morning. Let's take a look at your assignments for the day and then you all can get started. So for science, yesterday you had vocabulary words to learn and then a video to watch. So today is May 7th, so let's see what our job is on the May 7th slides. Right, the slides for today have pictures of different animals on them. Use the pictures to think of a type of and type up different traits the animals in the pictures have. Okay, so this tree frog here, what observable traits do they have that help them survive in its environment? The bald eagle, this snake, shark here, lions, hummingbird, horse, spider. All right, so going through these slides with the animal pictures on them, really looking and thinking really hard, what traits do they have that help them survive in their environment? So why are they able to live where they live? What traits do they have to have? All right, so those are your few slides for science today. Let's go ahead and look at our writing assignment for today. It's going to be the same as it's been all of the past days, working on a few slides in your third grade memory book. Again, for inserting pictures on a couple of these slides, you want to go up to Insert, Image, search the web, and the box will pop up over here with Google Images. Search for an image and then click on one and you should be able to add it to your slide. And then you're going to want to resize it once it's on the slide using the corners. Using the arrows in the corners of the pictures, you can make them bigger and smaller depending on how you want to arrange them on the slide. So just working through whichever slides you have left to work through today. Going back maybe to previous slides, making sure what you typed up makes sense, and making sure there's not anything you might want to add. All right, reading, grammar, and vocabulary. Yesterday was reading and grammar. Today's going to be reading and vocabulary because we are on to day 4. You should have read the rest of the story yesterday and kind of figured out how Kenyon solved his problem that he happened to come across in the story. So today, you're going to read about character change. So all good characters are able to show or tell how they have changed. Sorry, good authors. So click on the vocabulary video here and watch how the author tells you about characters and how they grow and change. Then you're going to want to fill out this chart here. How would you describe Kenyon at the beginning? What happened that proves your idea to be true? How would you describe him in the middle? And how would you describe him at the end? And then for review your vocabulary words, then you're going to do answer it. So here's your questions over here about the vocabulary words. Answer the questions right over here. So a few slides for today in reading and vocabulary. Math, today is going to be a little bit different than the past few days. So the past few days you've done story problems that were multi-step. Today, these should have the answers on them. Today you're going to work on expressions, equations that aren't from a story problem. They're just multi-step. You just have to do more than one function, okay? You're going to need to watch this video up here first so you know what this is all about, okay? There's a certain order you have to do the steps in. You can't just go left to right. There's a certain order you have to go in called order of operations. So click here and watch this video and then work on these practice equations. Then you're going to want to watch the video to see if you did them correctly, okay? You cannot just go from left to right. You can't just start on the left and do the functions across. There's an order you have to do them in, okay? So watch the video to make sure you know what that order is. That'll help you on the picture problem for today as well on the stream. And then yesterday you should have done the quick math and grammar checks. If you did not do the verb check and the multi-step problem check yesterday, do that today sometime, please. All right, Google Meets will be at 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock today. And then the answer to yesterday's math picture was 52. So go ahead and look at the math picture for today and see if you can solve it and type your answer in. All right, I hope I see a lot of you on our Google Meets today. Let's have a great Thursday, everybody.